Welcome to Ask the Experts. I'm Frank, Sales Engineering Manager at QCC, and today we're going to talk about our rugged, portable track cutting machine. It's designed for cutting steel at nearly every stage of the steel production process, and our tractor kits come with four main components: the tractor, the track, the rigging kit, and of course, the torch. First, let's talk about the tractor itself. It's constructed of a welded steel unibody, making it incredibly robust and less likely to bend, break, or warp. The tractor runs on stainless steel fixed wheels or swivel casters, and the wheels are knurled for positive traction. The tractor internals are protected by stainless steel heat shields, and the tractor has a QCC exclusive belt drive, which allows for smoother operation, no slippage, more precise cuts. It can also carry more weight than a normal tractor, which means bigger torches that can have more cutting capacity. Inside, you'll find a permanent magnet 110 volt DC electric motor and a solid state control board. The custom motor and synthetic oil transmission prolong its service life. We haven't had a motor go bad in over 10 years. The convenient variable speed toggle switch allows for two ranges of speeds, 0 to 40 inches per minute and 0 to 110 inches per minute. The tractor also comes with a detachable 25-foot power cord and a handle for easy moving around. Next, let's talk about the track. The track is constructed from heavy-duty welded steel and crossbody supports. This allows for increased rigidity and damage resistance. The track features a V-groove for precise travel and cutting, and the tracks can be connected together for longer travel lengths. We offer three different track styles: the standard track, which lays flat, a raised track that has 6-inch long sides. This elevates the tractor above the cutting surface, reducing heat and extending cuts over gaps. And lastly, the raised insulated track has a 4-inch rise and ceramic insulation, which provides extra heat protection for your tractor. Any of our track offerings come in a variety of sizes from 3-foot to 12-foot lengths. Next, let's talk about the rigging. Our rigging kits help eliminate the guesswork in your torch setup. Each kit includes our exclusive edge-mounted gear rack, which rides on the bottom edge of the gear rack, eliminating play and gear lash, meaning you get more precise cuts. The crossbody slide allows you to align the cut, and the torch holder allows you to adjust the standoff and torch cutting angle. We also offer additional torch holders for dual torches, welding torches, and plasma torches. The deluxe rigging kit also includes a gas block with flip valve, allowing you to set it and forget it. Optional rigging components include a 2 or 3 hose gas block with ball valves or flip valves, counterweights, extended gear racks, and various hose options. Lastly, let's talk about our torches. Some of our tractor kits come with our 524 machine cutting torch, seen here. We can also mount a QC caster cutting torch with the tractor. Check out our other Ask the Expert videos for more information on those torches. The QCC portable track cutting machine is designed for a variety of applications and industries, from mills and steel processors, fabrication for shapes and cut to size, powder cutting for stainless steel and non-ferrous materials, and even steel conditioning like beveling. Also designed for scrap yards, including large repeatable jobs or unusual materials or shapes, and even shipyards, rail yards, and service centers. Thank you for joining me on another Ask the Experts video. Please like, follow, and subscribe to QCC on LinkedIn and YouTube, and thanks for watching.